everyone, it's Todd here from Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Today it's keto chicken chow mein, only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Foxhole fam, I'm Todd and welcome to Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Today I am super excited as we're going to answer a big question that goes on around here at Foxhole. You guys have been asking about it, when are we going to be doing more health conscious recipes? Well, I figure new year, new beginning, so let's try something a little different today. Today I want to show you how to make keto chicken chow mein. It's a lot of different types of vegetables mixed together, so good. Quick, easy, simple, so if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Alright, to start off our keto chicken chow mein, we're going to go ahead and cut up a small head of broccoli here into smaller florets.
Okay.
Now, you guys know at home, I am no expert at cutting anything, so just bear with me with some of the cuts here. But we're just going to kind of break it down here a little bit.
Okay.
Just do the best we can here with it. Now, Dave, I know you kind of looked at me cross-eyed whenever I suggested this recipe to. Why is it you think people are eating keto recipes here?
I have no idea.
I mean, honestly, we made the keto pizza here a couple weeks ago, and you got to admit it was pretty good.
It was pretty good, yeah.
And I think what I was excited about with it was, and we'll show them here in a little bit, the zucchini noodles that we're going to be making. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and break these down even a little bit more.
Okay.
What do you think, Dave, about that?
Yeah, about that size is fine.
And then we're going to continue on.
Okay.
All right, sound good?
Yep.
All right, Dave, we got our broccoli cut up here. Let's go ahead and add some peppers to our mix.
Okay.
Now, many of you guys know at home, Dave and I usually grow our own pepper garden.
Yes, we do.
During the summer. And what is it about just like fresh peppers that just are awesome?
They add a lot of flavor to anything, so that's why we get them in there.
Yeah, I'm going to dice up a yellow pepper and a red pepper.
Okay.
For our chicken chow mein. And then the reason why I'm doing that, you can technically add basically any pepper you want. It's all depending on how hot you want the chicken chow mein to be.
Yeah.
So, Dave knows I'm kind of a wimp when it comes to spice.
Okay.
Am I wrong on that?
Not really spicy kind of guy.
So I like. And plus, it adds a little bit of color to this as well. So
sounds good.
And then we're also going to cut down, like I said, a red bell pepper as well. Because I mean, it's just going to add a nice little pop of color to our meal. So.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. All right, we got our peppers cut up here. So next up, we're going to add a quarter of a small head of cabbage here.
Looking good?
Yeah, honestly, this is looking really good. Like I said earlier, you guys know I am no expert at cutting anything, so many of you guys be kind of wondering, oh no, don't be doing that, don't do that. But I'm just going to do the best I can here and hope for the best. And honestly, you really don't need a whole lot.
No. Probably a quarter of that head of cabbage.
Yeah, which we're getting extremely close here, I think. Maybe like one.
I think that's good right there.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and dice this down a little bit better, and we'll go ahead and move on.
Okay.
one important part of our keto chicken chow mein is the noodles.
Right.
Well, you guys know you can't just do regular noodles for keto. So what we are going to attempt to make is zucchini noodles.
Okay.
Now, we bought a special tool, a spiralizer, to make the noodles, but I believe, and don't quote me on this, but you can actually find zucchini noodles in your local store.
Okay.
There is frozen ones, but we always go fresh with everything that we do. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to do this here. We just got this tool yesterday, so
Give it a shot.
we'll see how it goes. And slide this over here.
It seems to be working.
So far, so good. I mean, this is a good sign. All right, I'm going to go ahead and spiralize the zucchini noodles, and then I believe we're ready, almost ready for the stove, Dave.
Yeah, almost.
Yes.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, let's go ahead and do it. All right, now we're going to go ahead and cook on our chicken. I'm going to go ahead and set the oven here to medium heat and just add a little bit of oil to our pan here. Maybe try and get it swirled around here a little bit. Get nice and covered. I mean, what do you think, Dave?
That looks good, yeah.
And then I got a pound of chicken cut up here. And then we are just going to go ahead and cook this down until there's no more pink left in the chicken.
Okay.
I tell you what, I think this chicken is definitely done here.
Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and take it off our heat here and put it in a bowl for just a few minutes.
Okay.
Alright, once again we're going to add a little bit of oil to our pan.
Okay.
And then our broccoli that we chopped up from before. Add that to the pan here.
Okay.
It's a nice color. And our peppers. And along with a little bit of cloves of garlic. And we're just going to mix this together here, get it nice and cooked over here. And then we are going to stir fry this for about 2 minutes. Here.
Okay.
My, oh my, will you look at how bright and effervescent these colors are here. Next up, we're going to take our spiralized zucchini, add that to the mix. And then we're going to add our cabbage. And then we're going to stir fry this for about a minute. Alright, I think this is looking pretty good here. What do you think, Dave?
Looks great.
Next, we're going to add our chicken back in.
Okay.
And then we're going to add some bean sprouts.
Okay.
And then about half a cup of cashews.
2 tablespoons soy sauce.
2 tablespoons of soy sauce, is just as Dave said.
And 2 teaspoons of sesame oil.
And 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Get that little runaway piece of zucchini there.
Okay.
We're just going to mix this all together here.
Great.
Oh, this looks just so cool. And you know as well as I do, Dave, I'm a big Chinese food person.
Oh yeah.
So I definitely think this is a nice alternative to regular Chinese food.
Mm-hmm.
Even though I think we got enough to feed an army here. But
yeah, probably enough to feed 3 or 4 people.
But yes, this is definitely exciting, and yeah, a little bit of a healthier alternative.
And that is just about it then.
Yes. Just kind of get everything mixed in here. I think I'm doing a pretty good job with that.
Oh yeah.
Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. So let's see how I did here. A little bit of the vegetables and the chicken. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so good. Simple, easy, and so delicious. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends' support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, it's good times and good food on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.